This is the all-new Tecno Camon 19 Pro. This phone is very decent, from the design to the faster performance. It comes with an 8 gigs of RAM that can be expanded and the Mediatek Helio G96 processor. This phone looks dope. Of course, it's Tecno's camera-centric device, so the camera should actually give us a 100%. What do you guys think? Okay, just hold your thoughts and let's unbox this device and see what comes in the box. The design of the box has changed completely from the last one. And opening the box, you get the smartphone, a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a clear TPU case for the phone, the 33-watt fast charger, the USB-C cable, the earphones and the SIM ejector pin. This is the Eco Black color with a 120Hz screen refresh. It's a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display with a 500 nits of brightness. The touch feedback is really sensitive and this phone is fast. Scrolling through apps is really a breeze on this device, with very good response upon app launching. For the design, the Tecno Camon 19 Pro is incredibly slim and also lightweight. You have slim bezels on top and also by the sides. The display takes up almost the entire front of the device. On the rear, it sports 2 ring camera lenses and the flashlight. And also the design feels a lot like the Tecno Spark 9 series, but it is not. The finish of this phone is premium. This dazzling back is covered with 2 million star diamonds. And I don't think there's any other smartphone brand with this same design. Okay, in case you didn't know, the slim bezel of the Tecno Camon 19 Pro won the IF 2020 award design, and that's a very interesting attribute of the Tecno Camon 19 Pro. This phone cost $288 US, approximately 173,000 in Naira. This phone is not in any way a budget device. With performance like this, it is a good mid-range or even a flagship device. For the external features, you have a USB-C connection port, a 3.5 audio jack, a noise cancelling mic, and a speaker grill at the bottom of the phone. And then you have the tray for 2 SIMs and the micro SD card. On the right side features the volume up and down button and the power button that is also the fingerprint unlock scanner. So how fast does it unlock the device? Let's check it out. It is fast. Yes, it is. And the response is very swift. This is a 6.8 inch screen and it refreshes at 120 Hz. It is a Full HD Plus high gamut display. Okay, what that means is this phone can display colors accurately, like true to life image. It does reproduce the color exactly the way your eye is seeing it. Well done, Tecno, well done. This display is also TUV Redline certified. That means the display of this phone is eye friendly, protecting your eye from dryness. So while you're enjoying the 6.8 inches display, Tecno is making sure that your eye is not affected. You have a resolution of 1080p by 24 pixels, and the display is wide enough for all media content, with very slim bezel. This is Tecno's first smartphone with extremely slim bezel, only noticeable at the chin below. And then you have the punch hole cut out for the selfie camera. It's a 32 megapixel camera lens with a difference, and behind is a 64 megapixel camera lens. It is also a super night camera with optical image stabilization and the RGBW sensor. And then you have a 2 megapixel bokeh camera lens, and then a 50 megapixel portrait lens and the flashlight. Above the 2 camera lens is a laser focus. You may not be able to see it, but it is there. One of the biggest highlights of the Tecno Camon 19 Pro is the 64 megapixel super night camera lens, and Tecno confirms it is just like the human eye with the RGBW sensor. The result is really amazing. Night shots with the Tecno Camon 19 Pro camera is very okay and detailed. And for the RGBW sensor, you can easily take a photo and touch to change the sky color to whatever you desire. So in the AI settings, you have the sky shop to choose from for your image. So when you take a normal picture, you can easily select the sky change you desire, like adding a rainbow, moon, or even sunlight, starry and more. A feature we've never had before in the Camon series. This is Tecno's first RGBW camera. The Tecno Camon 19 Pro takes it to another level. Daylight shots are also detailed. The color and skin tone is okay. Tecno actually nailed the color and high dynamic range is not missing. Portrait shots are generally okay. The background blur is super impressive. So this is a 2K at 30 frames per second video from the 64 megapixel rear camera of the Tecno Camon 19. You can also shoot at 1080p for the optical image stabilization. The colors are detailed and all the camera awesomeness are present. So guys, what do you think of the sound and the picture quality coming out from this device? On the front is a 32 megapixel lens with same features of the rear camera. Daylight shots are generally okay and portrait shots is okay too. Okay, this is a video recording from the 32 megapixel front facing camera of the Tecno Camon 19 Pro. You have lots of details here. The color is balanced and the high dynamic range is also present. Okay, Tecno nailed the skin tone. Yes, well done Tecno, well done. Just the way your eye sees it. I'm currently shooting at 2K 30 frames per second. So guys, what are your thoughts? What do you think about the picture quality of the selfie camera of the Tecno Camon 19 Pro and also the sound that you're hearing coming out from this device? Please let me know what you think in the comments below. The Tecno Camon 19 Pro is indeed a whole new level camera device. See guys, sometimes it's not about the number of megapixels, it's about the camera's ability. Okay, moving on to performance. This phone is fast and also a good gaming smartphone. You have the Mediatek Helio G96 processor and 8 gigs of RAM that can be expanded up to 5 GB by memory fusion. I played the Ninja Roku game at high graphics settings and also at 60 frames per second. It is also a demanding smartphone game and it did not lag behind. You have the Mali G57 MC2 GPU and clocked at the max speed of 2.5 GHz. The chipset is not the best here, but it is not a disappointing one. You have a 5000 mAh battery that supports a 33 watts fast charge. And you have the Android version 12 here and a big 256 gigs of internal storage. It takes about 58 minutes to charge from 0 to 100% and will last for more than 24 hours, unless you're a heavy user. So who should buy the Tecno Camon 19 Pro? This phone is very impressive in so many ways. And yes, it is expensive. But if you value photography and also videography, I recommend the Tecno Camon 19 Pro. Performance is okay and the design is also on point. There's so much to love and talk about the Tecno Camon 19 Pro, and the price to performance ratio is okay. But please let me know what you think in the comments below about the new Tecno Camon 19 Pro. Guys, please like and share this video to help someone out there make a good purchase decision. And also please, if you're new to my channel for the first time watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn the bell icon so you won't miss out on the next interesting video. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Kelechi Oka signing out.